Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Happy Friday! Welcome to Just Cook DC Friday Night Cocktails. I bought me a grapefruit and juiced it, and I got vodka, I got orange liqueur, I got, oh that's the juice of the grapefruit, and I got fresh lime, a martini glass. It's Friday. I'm gonna make me a grapefruit martini. Let's make this drink. Alright, for the grapefruit martini, shaker with ice, we are gonna do 2 ounces of vodka in there. I'm using Kettle One. Smooth. We're gonna do 1 ounce of orange liqueur. I'm using quenches. That goes right in there. We're gonna do 3 ounces of freshly squeezed grapefruit. Right in my jigger. We're gonna do 1 ounce of lime juice. Usually a lime would give you about 1 ounce. I just squeeze lime juice in there. Not very cold, but just do 1 ounce. Right in the shaker. Alright, let's clean it up. Alright, give it a good 15-second shake. Martini glass sitting there ready. I should do it. I'm gonna pour it right into a martini glass. Boom. Folks, grapefruit martini. Garnish. Grapefruit. Let's try this. Oh, folks, man, this is good. Okay, this is good. Sexy, rich, citrusy. Oh, let's try this drink. Thank you for spending time with me. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. I'm gonna make another one of this. Oh yeah.